All right.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Connor here, and today we are going to be showing you how to fix a bike. So let's get into it. So you need this. It has to be this size for this,
Right.
and then we'll get into the seat and the wheels.
Okay.
So
Good.
you have to put it in here like this. You get the bottom, which is the best. You twist it left up.
Very good.
I mean right up.
Connor's tune-up video. Good job, man.
So like that, just so the screw doesn't fall out. Then you do the other ones. And then I will be showing you how to twist it back. So you have to put that in.
Okay.
You have to do that. Then the other one just gets in the way. But there's a way. Let's just do the bottom one first. Alright, now light kind of moves down, so it's okay. Then you do that, pull it out. As you can see, you can
good.
move
Then
it.
you got them loose now.
And then if you want to do it again, you can just twist it left. Left. Just don't twist them too right, or else the screw will come out off and you can't do it again.
Very good.
So never twist it too tight.
Connor wrenching on his own bicycle. That's a good job.
So we're done with that. So now we get
Very
to the
good.
seat.
The same wrench, right?
No, I think it's a different wrench.
I think it's my... Yeah, okay.
Oh, I just turned it. Don't worry about those dogs. Alright, so now you can do this. Oh wait, I guess it is the same wrench.
Okay.
So you have to turn it left again.
Yeah.
So you keep turning left until it starts feeling loose, and I'm gonna do it.
You'll know if it's loose by twisting the seat. Try twisting the seat now. There you go.
See, you can put it up and down.
Yep.
And I like it pretty much like right there.
Okay.
And then you start twisting it right.
Before you tighten it, make sure it's straight.
Oh, wait. Yeah, you have to make sure it's straight. I do this. Right, so it's straight.
Wow.
Then we, no, have to put it, just don't do that, and then put it up here, then that. And then you start twisting it right again.
Okay, good.
That should be good, you know.
It's tight enough now? Okay.
And then we'll work on the tire. Alright, let me get the pump. So usually you'll have like this on it. So you have to twist it a little bit right.
Yeah.
And then it will start coming off. And this is a ball pump and and a pump to pump up tires, but not your car tires.
Right. It would take you a long time to do a car tire, but you could do it if you had to. It would just take you a long time.
Yeah.
Turn it to the left. No, to the left. Yeah, there you go. You got it? Good.
Alright, so then you put this on. The air will come out. That means you're doing it. You put that down. Don't lose the pieces. Then you can pump it.
Okay, good.
Pump it until it's perfect. You can do it with your feet too, just I prefer my hands. So you wait until it's just where you want it. Then you have to be quick to pull it off, or else all the air will come back out.
That's right.
either. And I think that's good, so then I have to go like this. Ready? You have to do that.
That's it.
Then you put it back on. Start twisting it.
Oh, you adjusted the handlebars, the seat, and you put air in the tire.
And that's how you do it.
That's great. All right.
And we should be done.
You all finished? Is that the end of the video?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so sign
Peace.
off. Oh, there you go.